Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Harsh, and in today's video, we are diving into one of the SQL questions asked in Uber interview. If you missed our previous videos on SQL, be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. Now let's see the problem. So in this question, we are given a product ID, date and price. The date represents the date at which we are seeing the price of that product. So on 1st of Jan, the product price is 10. On 22nd of Feb, it's 15. On 9th of March, it's 21. Similarly, the output what we require is for every month start, we need what was the price of that product and what is the difference with respect to the previous month. So if you see on 1st of Jan, the price was 10. The next change was made on 22nd of February on 15th. But eventually on 1st of Feb, the price would have remained as 10. So here we are seeing on 1st of Feb, the price remains 10. On 9th of March, the price was changed to 21. So on 1st of March, the price would have remained as 15. Right. Similarly, the change happened from 10 to 15. Hence, the difference is 5. Next, it is moved to 21. The price difference is 6, and so on. So, looking at the graph below, we can see when the prices are changing. To solve this question, let's list down the steps what we need to do. Step 1, we need to add a new column with next month details. Step 2, what we'll be doing is using this new column, we'll be finding the month start date. So in this input question, we'll create a new column as date 1, which will have the next month detail. We'll add 1 month here plus 1 month. So it will have 0102, it will have 2203, 0904, 705, 2805 and 0306. Now using this DT column, we'll find the month start date. So you can have 0101, 0103, 0104, 0105, 0106 and 0107. Once we have that, we already know there are few records which already have month start date. We can directly leverage these records and these prices as a month start prices. However, there are other records which are midden between the months, right? So we'll use the second approach what we just did right now here to find the prices, right? So let's move to the SQL workbench and see how we can implement it in using SQL. This code is used to create the table name. We'll have three columns: product ID, date and price, and you are inserting this column values, right? So once I select this data, you are able to see that we have the same data which was given as an input. As an approach, let's just see first the dates which already are the month start dates in this. So here I'm just doing day of dt is equal to 1. What it will do is it will segregate out the day out of this dates and will filter out all the rows which have date equal to 1, right? So if I do this, the first record which we saw was of the 1st Jan and hence it's been filtered out, right? So this is the first part done. And second part, what we'll do is I'll just run this column. Basically what we are doing is, let me take this out. We know that row number is used to silently give ranks to each rows. What we are doing is we are just partitioning with product ID, year and month. There might be few records in the tables where there are two changes done within the month. For example, here in the month of April, we see that one change was in the price was done on 17th of April and another on 28th of April. For us, we know that the last change is only required. We don't need two records here. So we'll use the row number function to find out wherever there are multiple changes in months, and we'll just take out the last change and keep it, right? So this is done for that. So we are creating the first CT here, right? So in the second CT, what we're doing is we already have those records which are directly month start records. In the second record, what we are doing is we are finding the date from the CT. We are choosing the rank 1 to remove the duplicates, and we are finding the start date. So this is used to find the date start, right? In the form of this. So imagine we added 1 month, we are adding 1 month to this date, and then you're finding the using the date format function, we're finding the date start date of the month, right? So once this is done, we are just using the lag function to find out the difference of the two consecutive rows, right? So let me run this query once. So if you see, we have the same output what we needed. The first output is coming from here, union, this one, and all the other records are coming from 2, 3, 4, and 5 are coming from the second query, right? So yeah, hope you like this video, and please do stay tuned for much more updates. And yeah, till then, happy learning.